Alright, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be testing out the new update. And it's apparently a limited time bundle. Okay, what is this? The Lian kit. A mysterious warrior gifted by the dragon. Control the swords to fight your enemy? What does that mean? Oh, a lunar bundle. Okay. Lian kit. Lian lunar dragon kit skin. Not limited to titles, 2 emotes. Should I buy it? You know what? It's for you guys. I'm buying this for you guys, alright guys? I'm buying this for you. 3, 2, 1, buy. Oh, Bedwars is taking all my Robux, bro. It's taking all my Robux. Oh, Bedwars, bro. We're gonna equip this kit and try and use the dragon kit skin. Yeah, what's the emote? Wait, let me go in my locker. Year of the Dragon. And Lunar Year 2024. Year of the Dragon, and there should be an emote. Wait, where is it? Dragon. It should be that. What's the emote called? Oh, those two? Where are they? Emotes. Oh, here. Okay. Okay, let's hop into a match and test these out. Dude. Oh my god. Yeah, this is my Robux right here. This is all my Robux right here just spent on this kit. The bundle. Purchase obsidian blocks. Kill 4 other players. You know killing is my thing, alright? Well, this new kit, it's either overpowered or it's either just absolutely trash. But I have no clue what is this. Dragon sword ult. What the? So what am I supposed to use? What is this, man? What do I do? Q. What is this, bro? Dude, no one. Oh, someone. So, what is this for? Let me test it out. So, what? What is this? Okay. Bro, I have not seen this kit or heard of this kit. What is wrong, bro? Okay, someone's rushing. Oh, someone's good. Good boy. Now let me test this kit on you. Oh, that's not bad. Yo, that's kind of big. Come here, boy. Oh, he's dead. How is he not dead? I don't get what this kit does. Can someone explain to me? Like in the comments, explain what this kit does if you have it, because for now I'm not getting it. There's a bunch of swords. Yo, wait. So this kit can be an infinite spammery if you just wait. Let me just start on him. Bob! Oh my gosh, bro! This is over. Nah, that's too over. Ow, 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 ow. Hey, wait. This kit might be this kit might be good. This kit is very good. Oh my god. Also guys, if you want this kit, make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment your username down below so I can pick a random person and give them this kit. Because it's clearly overpowered. Like, you're telling me I could just stand here, then put... Oh, never mind. Oh my god. How did you just kill me in 2 seconds? Okay, that did not make sense. Yeah, I don't get what this kit does. Like, it does a bit of fire damage, but is that it? What is this for? Dragon sword. Can I not get it? What is that? Oh, I need 3 missiles. Okay, no, wait. Oh, dragon sword. Is that all? What does that do? Someone please explain, what does that do? Wait, what does that do? Dude, I'm genuinely curious. Bro, this man. Oh wait. Bob! Dude, I could just sit here and wait for them to come for me, bro. I'm literally just sitting here. Just waiting. Nah, bro, this is too overpowered, bro. This is too overpowered. I can literally sit here, wait for them to cross. Nah. I the system. No, I broke the system. Look. They're gonna cross here, and then they're just gonna go bonk. And they absolutely gonna... They won't know what just happened. Okay, this is perfect. Alright, very perfect, bro. You know what? I'm just gonna complete one of my quests. Oh, wait, no. Bro! No way I got a kill. No actual way, bro. This works. Yeah, I just lighted myself on fire. Nah, bro, this strategy is the best. Bro, you're telling me that I can just sit there all time, do absolutely nothing, and I just get kills and put people on fire. That's crazy. You know what? I'm just gonna block my bed defense. Let's go. Okay, I get this kid does. I know the most OP strategy, okay? So you need to go under the map on one place and probably mid, and everyone will cross that path, and then you will kill all of them. Watch this. Yeah! Dead! He's dead. He's so dead. Oh. Wait, he's dead. Like, if I just go to my original hiding spot, cover myself up. Look. Bob! He doesn't know what hit him! And then I outplayed. Good plays, buddy. 4 other players. Wow, that's pretty easy. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, that's too OP. Wait, I need to just find a place on the mid map. Hold up a minute. By this and there. Okay, buy a table. I buy this. Oh! Festival Dragon! Oh, you know what I'm doing with this. You already know what I'm doing with this, okay? People are coming to mid constantly. Look at this. Bop. Wait, what? Look at this. Oh, is that all? Bye-bye. Holy. Whew. Made that. Okay, mate. Come build up. Oh, build battle? Sure. He got trapped. Okay, don't want blocks to give. This is max height? Yeah, I've stayed up here then. You can try, bro. It's not gonna work! I'm at 0 HP. How am I not dead? Oh! Oh! My god, bro! Oh my. Nah, bro, this is too OP. Wait, I need emeralds, bro. This is kind of OP. Literally gonna fireball them. Nah, bro, what kind of overpowered kit is this? Nah, I'm genuinely saying that this is too overpowered. Bye. Wait, running? Wait, he's running with his Electra. Ah, May, come to middle! Yes! Bye-bye. Oh! Yeah, bro, you're dead! Oh. Yo! Yo, no, this is kind of OP. I'm gonna try, wait. I'm gonna try more OP strategies probably in next video, guys. So this is basically the video. Yeah. I just test out the kit. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment your username, subscribe. If you want this kit as well, just do all those steps. And then comment your username on one of my videos. Then probably on my next video, if you comment, I'll announce you. So be sure to watch that video next. Okay, guys? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just waiting for the cooldown, honestly. This is all I'm doing right now. Like, I ain't doing much. Okay, is there anybody who's gonna come? I need my dragon sword. The thing is, okay, let me just kill this guy. Diamond armor. No way. Look how fast they reached. Emerald sword. Embarrassing. Wow. Okay, guys, so that's gonna be the end for this video. Yeah, this kid is a bit too overpowered, I should say. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and as I said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want this kit. You just comment your username down below, and I'll give you the kit, alright, in my next video, if you guys comment. So yeah, I'm Mark, and I'm out.